Did you know a wedding riddle once started a war? This is the wild story of Samson's marriage disaster. Samson wanted to marry a Philistine woman, but his parents said no. He married her anyway. At the wedding, Samson made a bet. He told a riddle about finding honey inside a dead lion. If the guests could solve it, he'd give them 30 sets of clothes. If they couldn't, they'd give him 30 sets. Here's the problem. Only Samson had seen this lion. The riddle was impossible to solve. For 7 days, his new wife cried and begged him for the answer. She said he didn't really love her. Finally, Samson told her. She immediately ran and told her people. When they solved his riddle, Samson knew he'd been tricked. He was so angry that he killed 30 men to get their clothes for the bet. Then he left his wife. Her father gave her to another man. Samson's revenge? He tied torches to foxes and burned down all their crops. One wedding riddle destroyed everything.